So this is your yen analysis for Monday, the 10th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price breakthrough this 129, couple of tests of the 28.59, brief rally towards the 129. So this sell side momentum eventually break this 128.59 here to the downside, and we did head towards that 400 period average, broke above the 400 period average, and that 28.59 had a rally towards this 129, rejected the 129, and we did see the sell side momentum break beyond the 128.59 and this 400 period moving average here to the downside. We are seeing that momentum follow through here on the euro yen. So if we do see this continued sell side momentum, we are looking for price head down towards that 27.56. If we're not able to find support at 27.56, we're then looking for price head down towards that 26.84 here on the euro against the yen. If, however, we do see that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market from this 27.56, or from where we are at present, looking for a retest of that 28.59, where we do have the confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. But if we do break and hold above the 28.59, we then look for price head up towards that 129, successful break from which we then look for price head up towards that 129.45, where we do have the confluence of the 200 period moving average here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly charts, see how price is developing, get scale on here correct. As we can see here, we have our highs, lower highs still, and we do appear to be putting in lower highs again here on the euro against the yen. Now we didn't quite make new lows in around that 24.62. Instead we did come down towards this 125. So the bullish buy side momentum and this brief rally, but as indicated, as we can see over the past couple of weeks, we've had higher prices rejected as indicated by the wick. By these wicks here, we have closed near our lows, and we are seeing a bit of momentum fall through to the downside. So as we should note that the open to closed range of these candles still remains small. So there remains a possibility of these just being simply pullbacks in the market. And if that is the case, possibly looking for higher prices, unless we do start to see a greater follow through from a weekly chart perspective here to the downside, in which case we may just see price head back down towards this 125 here on the euro against the yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the euro against the yen, we can see we have our highs in around at 13.94, I think it is. We have our highs, we've had this pullback, brief rally, we have lower highs, and we are seeing that momentum follow through here to the downside. More recently, as you can see, we've rejected our 129, we've had a confluence of the 400 period moving average, and from that lower high, we do appear to be poised for further downside momentum. And if that does happen to be the case, I suppose another level of note here to the downside is a move down towards our 26.84. Previously an area we found support before seeing this rally. Again, if we do see that follow through down towards that 26.84, we'll see if we do get another rally at that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.